Welcome to this Salesforce Play-by-Play with Pluralsight. Salesforce Play-by-Play is an interactive series where we sit down with Salesforce experts such as MVPs, consultants, developers, and architects to discuss common challenges faced every day by Salesforce customers. We'll be learning while discussing concepts and debating trade-offs on various approaches to solving real-world problems. We learn by reviewing system configurations or writing code and then exploring the benefits of any particular solution. In this course, we challenge Barry Hughes, lead developer with Blue Wave Technology and Dublin's Salesforce Developer Group Leader, to show us how to effectively approach working with customers and project stakeholders to design, prototype, validate, and architect a set of Lightning components. Barry demonstrates the Salesforce Lightning Design System Starter Kit, a rapid prototyping environment built with the Salesforce Lightning Design System, HTML, CSS, and Node.js. It allows a developer to jumpstart a prototype Lightning project and easily deploy it to Heroku. Then, you'll see him incorporate his mock HTML pages into temporary composite Lightning components to surface his prototype inside the Lightning experience. You'll watch as he transforms his mock pages into a cohesive component-based architecture, converting prototype markup and behavior into fully functional Lightning components, designed for an instant experience allowing users maximum ease of use with minimal clicks. And you'll learn about reusability patterns and development practices that bring the application to life, such as component inheritance, utility functions, data validation, error handling, and combining the use of Apex controllers along with the Lightning data service. By the time we're done, you'll be able to use his project code and wiki instructions to apply what you've learned to your own Lightning component projects. Come watch as we design and prototype complex Lightning components and build an elegant instant user experience. Please join us for prototyping Salesforce UX solutions with Lightning components. We hope you enjoy it.